welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. Really quick, this is a background pour, and I'm going to be showing you the completed painting at the end. It's a background for a drawing that I wanted to try, and so this is a 16 by 20 canvas, and I've already mixed my cups with the colors that I just showed you on the screen. Now, the camera is a little fuzzy. It always does that until it's, gets something to, see, now there it stops. Anyway, so the orange and olive green and white and Naples yellow. And I love doing these. It's just like pouring out a ribbon. It looks kind of stripy, but by the time you're done tilting it, the stripes can turn into waves and look very oceany or very sky, depending on what you're thinking about, putting on top of it. Now, the reason I dumped that green in the center right there was because I was hoping to create some kind of a grassy-like texture, because what I'm going to put on top of this, it's an elephant. And I thought that these colors, although very bright, were also pretty African, sunset-y, with the green kind of thrown in there too. So yeah, so now I'm just tilting and getting some kind of a pattern or composition on it, making sure there's not too much paint left over, because if you leave too much paint, then you get, cracking. I've only actually had that happen when I tried to pour over another canvas that had a lot of paint on it and had dried. And then the cracking on the second layer happened when that dried. So you got to watch that. And actually the top there, that from our angle, I did off camera tilt a little bit more of that off, because once I stepped away from it and turned the camera off, I was like, I need to tilt a little bit of that off. And so I did, but you're going to get to see what I did. So how I got this elephant on here, because I don't freehand draw, and that's going to be coming up soon, you're going to see a picture, is essentially I just took tracing paper and then I used carbon paper. You can see the tracing paper there, me thinking about where I'm going to put it, and this is the image with the carbon paper, and then I went over it with my Copic markers and other types of markers and drew in all the color, and that was actually really fun. It was very relaxing, so I did enjoy doing that a lot. I think I mentioned it in my last video, but I've got a number of them to show you. This one I think I've already shown you, but it just came out so nice. Sorry for the glare. But there's the butterfly, and I really, really like the way it came out. Let's see if I can get... There, that's a little better. Really like this one. Really, really finishes the painting, because in that spot there was kind of just a bald white spot, so there wasn't anything going on, so it was perfect to put that little butterfly there, and I just love that one. Okay, so that's one. And okay, so this one I talked about. Now I'm considering this kind of a fail, because I don't know, I mean, it looks good, and this is a 16 by 20. I mean, this is, pretty big. And I don't know, it's just, I think I'm going to have to keep doing something with it. The yellow, it's really bright. And so I may go in here and do something else when I get it inspired, because I really am not knowing at this point where to go with it. But it's still really nice, and it was a great learning experiment. And yeah, I'm not giving up on this one yet. Okay, so there's that one, the giant seahorse, I call that one, because it's really big. Okay, so now this one is the one I put so many hours in. Hope you guys like it. But This elephant took me hours and hours. Now I don't think I can sell it because I traced it from a coloring book kind of thing and then colored it in, you know, I got onto the canvas and, but look at him. Isn't he cute? And I just love the way the colors blend with the background. It's just so cool. And I decided on this one after learning from the seahorse that shading it in totally, it doesn't look right. So I let the pour shine through. And I just like it. I like it a lot. I might put a tree right here. My husband helped me because he's the artist. I'm going to show you guys what he did. Now his are better than mine. All right, hold on a second. Let me show you. Let me see what else. Okay, so this is a work in progress. This is nowhere near done, but you can see I did the very same background pour as I did for the giant seahorse, and I haven't done his shell yet. So I got to figure out, and I want to make these lines thicker. So that's my work in progress, Mr. Turtle. I'll keep you guys updated if I get him done. And then for the two my husband did, of course I did the pour. So this one was a wild, just a weird pour, and it was kind of like green stripes right here. So this turtle was actually one of the stripes. And so it worked out so perfectly, and he drew this, and then I just went in and painted white and cut out the line, and it looks like he's swimming towards the green water, and his shell just looks so great, so cute, and that's a fun one. And I saved the best for last, this one. Now I did not like this pour, and thank God I didn't toss it, because my husband put this seahorse on, and then he put on this seaweed in black, and it's just perfect. Really, really cute. The colors he used blend in with the painting, and I wish I could freehand draw, but he can help me sometimes, as long as I don't give him too much work. He works a lot, so gotta forgive him for that. But yeah, lots of embellishments, lots of drawings going on over here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you like it, like my video, if you want to subscribe to see more, I hope you do, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye now.